Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PlayLearn family. 1. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Vena cava. C. Pulmonary artery. D. Aorta. Answer: D. Aorta. Explanation: the aorta is the largest artery in the body and carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to the rest of the body. 2. What is the functional unit of the circulatory system responsible for nutrient and gas exchange? A. Arteries. B. Capillaries. C. Veins. D. Alveoli. Answer: B. Capillaries. Explanation: capillaries are the smallest blood vessels where the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste products occurs between blood and tissues. 3. Which of the following is the pacemaker of the heart? A. AV node. B. Purkinje fibers. C. SA node. D. Bundle of His. Answer: C. SA node. Explanation: the sinoatrial SA node, located in the right atrium, is known as the pacemaker of the heart. It generates electrical impulses that initiate the heartbeat. 4. Which of the following blood components play a crucial role in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Answer: C. Platelets. Explanation: platelets, also known as thrombocytes, are small blood components that gather at the site of a wound and help form clots to stop bleeding. 5. Which chamber of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs? A. Right atrium. B. Left atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Left ventricle. Answer: C. Right ventricle. Explanation: the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs for oxygenation. 6. Which blood group is considered the universal donor? A, B, C, AB. D, O. Answer: D, O. Explanation: blood group O negative is considered the universal donor because it lacks A and B antigens on the surface of red blood cells, making it compatible with all blood types. 7. Which vessel brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary vein. D. Vena cava. Answer: C. Pulmonary vein. Explanation: the pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart, unlike most veins, which carry deoxygenated blood. 8. What is the correct sequence of blood flow through the heart and lungs? A. Left atrium left ventricle lungs right atrium right ventricle. B. Right atrium right ventricle lungs left atrium left ventricle. C. Left atrium left ventricle right atrium right ventricle lungs. D. Right atrium left ventricle lungs right ventricle left atrium. Answer: B. Right atrium right ventricle lungs left atrium left ventricle. Explanation: blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle, then to the lungs for oxygenation. From the lungs, oxygenated blood enters the left atrium and is pumped to the left ventricle. 9. Which protein in red blood cells binds to oxygen for transport? A. Myoglobin. B. Hemoglobin. C. Albumin. D. Fibrinogen. Answer: B. Hemoglobin. Explanation: hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that binds to oxygen in the lungs and carries it to tissues throughout the body. 10. Which valve prevents backflow of blood into the left atrium? A. Tricuspid valve. B. Pulmonary valve. C. Mitral valve. D. Aortic valve. Answer: C. Mitral valve. Explanation: the mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. It prevents the backflow of blood into the left atrium during ventricular contraction. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment for more updates. Thank you for watching.